Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive. Stock number E2410P. 29,000 miles on this one owner. Granite Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum carrier coverage. Seat 7, leather interior, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row outboard seats are also heated. Seats fold flat for additional cargo space. And tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. With additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, upgraded Beats sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, and 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. A large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, approximately 60% of the tire tread left. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.